fucking jump.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show started. Turn on this light, get you guys a little bit of box action. Such a big box. This box feels pretty light. Let me let it focus. This is the Air Jordan 14 Retro Arctic Brown and Multicolor, aka the Jordan 14 Winterized. If I got that wrong, I'm sorry guys. You can see the super small writing and the light. This isn't one of my favorite Jordans. I had to pick them up to check out this winterized feature. Whatever they're calling it. Now they got sneakers that you're supposed to wear in the winter time. Let's get this up here for you guys. Normal Jordan 14 high. Nothing spectacular. The material quality is outstanding though, it looks like. Everything feels nice, smooth, and buttery. And there's booty backstroke motion and the suede, a lot of it. Oh, this shoe just feels so soft and delectable. Nice 23 in the back. You guys can see everything. The materials on this shoe are top quality. Get you guys 360 with the light on. If it lets me cut the light on, they saying no light. There we go. Thank you. Move this a little bit closer. A nice bottom overall. This is a good Jordan 14, especially if you're looking for a winter shoe. Thick lining in the inside as well. That must be the winterized, and it's supposed to be strong, durable material. So you see the black lace bag. You get red laces in the shoe. Oh man, it's just a good shoe. And this is the Jordan 14 Winterized. Winter is coming up. I don't know if people like this shoe or not, but we'll find out. I think this shoe is going for about $250 now. It retails for $210. Some places you might still find them sitting, but like I said, on StockX, GOAT, and eBay, they're going for about $250. So if you really want one, you can get one. Let me give you guys a side silhouette. We'll get on with this next shoe. Alright guys, getting on with this second shoe. Give you guys some box action before I hit the light, because y'all know what this is already. Pine green situation. Guys, a little bit of label action so you guys can see the label. Hit the light so that I could read the label. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, pine green, silver, and white. Bust these bad boys out. I haven't even taken a look at them. Oh, this is a clean shoe. Clean. Nice smell. A little bit of rubbing, but that's, I guess, to be expected for a Jordan 3. Very nice. Let me check, see if the other one has some extra laces real quick, guys, before I get on. It's kind of weird. No extra laces. It's pretty weird. I have a Jordan 3, no extra laces. Some green laces would really set this shoe off, in my opinion. But it's still a pretty good Jordan 3. Very good Jordan 3. Woo! nubuck or leather all over. Green backing. Normal Jordy 3 bottom. Green hit. Green Jordan. Elephant print. To some type of suede or nubuck. Like on this side of the shoe, you get more of the suede hits, more suede. They got a little bit of rubbing. You get the pine green bottom to the elephant print. I don't like this nubuck or whatever they got on here. If it's getting scratched up in the box, don't let your jeans touch it, guys. So I'm just taking this one out. No Nike Air on the back, just the Jordan Air, you know. I'd have really made this shoe stand out and sell for double, triple the price, whatever it's going for now, if it said Nike Air on the back of the shoe. I don't know how I feel about this shoe. The quality, it's okay. It's just kind of iffy. The nubuck, it just seems too fragile, I guess if you could say. It gets hurt too fast. So just taking this one out the box, there's multiple spaces of rubbing. So I know when you put this on, you have to wear these with either low shorts or joggers. Is that what they call them? Sweatpants at the bottom? I think so. You're gonna need that, guys. Let's get on with this next year. Alright, guys, let's get this last pair of shoes out of the way. Let me cut this light on, get some light action before my cat goes into the pantry. Get some label action. Cut this light out so I could read it. Thank you, sir. This is the women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, white and court purple. He's okay now, so he got to stay in the box.
Yeah, I made a box for him at work. I got a special box just for him.
He's okay. Alright, guys. Basic shoe. Some people like it. Some people hate it. I can't wear them, so I have no picking out it. I just kept this one for staring. Take this out as well. A lot of people, like I said, you either love or hate this shoe. To me, the leather quality is good leather. Shoe overall is a good shoe in my opinion. Like I said, so if you can pick these up, do. I see a lot of them sitting in certain places. I'm going to list some on eBay, probably StockX. So this the plain shoe, in my opinion, white. Like I said, leather quality is okay. Got that wrinkly rolled leather, so you get an extra pair of purple laces. Purple Nike swoosh. White leather background. I forgot to get you guys some box action before I finish too. All white back, purple top. Court purple, I should say. Court purple, Nike swoosh. Back to the leather, all white. Court purple bottom. Got this light out, give you another 360. Let me know what you guys think of these court purples. Are you looking to pick a pair up? Did you pick a pair up? I really need them to start doing women's shoes and higher runs so that I can actually get a pair. But you gotta work with what you got to. I still like to get a pair of certain ones, so like I said, so I'm keeping the collection just in case. I like to keep a history of all shoes. So you get the white and court purple Nike box. Shimmery, I don't want to cut the light on, but this is a copy of the 1985 Air Jordan. Hey guys, one more side silhouette. So you get the bag. extra laces. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see me review next. Let me know what shoes you guys are getting. Make sure you stay safe out there. Everybody fucking jump!